What's up, everybody? And hi guys, it's your girl Krisha Isabelli and
It's your girl, Athena Simone.
we're baking cupcakes! Before we start, make sure you guys wash your hands. Our special frosting will have Nutella.
Don't bring eggs.
Don't mess up them. Don't mess with the eggs because they can get bad.
Yes. Oh!
Have fun!
Subscribe.
One cup. I'll put it and go. Okay. Put it and oh no, look at. Now ready? Let's go. That's one. That's one. You need. If you're gonna say measure it.
Mia's the one who's going to put it.
And wait, maybe go.
Sugar, 1 cup.
It's less than 1 cup. So it won't be that sweet.
Yeah.
Make sure to check your
Help me.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're gonna mix it.
Yeah. Wow! No, it's you need to ask the guardian to do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh.
Maybe I need to set it.
No, the other one, this one.
Wow. As you can see, I'm mixing here.
You're mixing. No, mix. One half cup. We need one sheet of these. And then yeah, I need you to hold. It's like coffee. Wait. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do something. Need a taste na. Why did you take it? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so that you'll know every time Mia Curry posts a new video.
Hopefully you had fun and eating and enjoy vanilla cupcakes
With Nutella frosting. And is it yummy? Is it yummy? Yeah, it's yummy. Bye!
Yes.